Welcome to our guide on resolving photo sharing issues on DraftKings. Let's dive into common problems and solutions. First, let's look at some common causes of photo sharing problems. These can range from device permissions to network issues. Ensure that your device permissions are properly set. Go to Settings and allow DraftKings to access your photos. Next up, check if your photos are in the right format and size. JPEG and PNG are usually the best choices. Network issues can often cause problems. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before trying to share photos. Keeping your app up to date can resolve many bugs. Check for updates regularly to stay on top of any fixes. Clearing cache and data can improve app performance. Don't forget to back up important data before doing so. If problems persist, consider reinstalling the DraftKings app. This can often solve lingering issues. Lastly, don't hesitate to reach out to DraftKings support if you continue having trouble. They're here to help. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to tackle photo sharing issues on DraftKings. Happy sharing!